My fist once for the planet. Time to stand up, not take it for granted. Listen close, feel the beat, feel the truth. It's Earth cry coming straight to the youth. Yo, I walk through the city and I see the haze. Smoke in the sky, can't see the rays. Ocean full of plastic, fish get choked. Nature's dying out while the rich stay close. Chop down trees like they grow on demand. But they're the lungs of the land, don't you understand? Every leaf that falls, every loop we break takes a breath away with every move we make.
Let those trees, let rivers run. We only got one Earth and there's no rerun.
Stop the smoke, let the flowers bloom. Let's clean the air and lift the gloom. From the cities to the mountains, hear the call. It's Earth's cry, and it's crying for us all. Let's clean the air and lift the gloom. From the cities to the mountains, hear the call. It's Earth's cry, and it's crying for us all. Look, plastic bottles on every street. Turbo struggle on the shores in their beak. We belly toss, don't think twice. But it's costing lives, we pay the price. It's not too late, we could still rewind. Green revolution starts in the mind. Reusable bags, solar light. Rebuild the world, gotta do it right. Stop the smoke, Uber's off the smoke. So don't just tweet, don't just post. Be the change that matters the most. Walk instead of drive when you can. Plant a seed, be part of the plan.
Let their streets, let rivers run. We only get one Earth and there's no rerun.
Stop the smoke, let the flowers bloom. Let's clean the air and lift the gloom. From the beaches to the valleys, hear the call. It's Earth's cry, and it's crying for us all.